Last year, me and my dad-in-law, my father-in-law, was shopping here at Home Depot, and he bought an Echo weed trimmer. He lives in Jupiter, Florida. I live up here in Georgia, and he just called me 2 days ago wanting to know that what's wrong with his trimmer, that he's pulled on it several different days and can't get it to fire up. And I have heard of this product here, Start Your Engines, and how it works. So I told him that to go to Home Depot and get him a thing to start your engine. And he had fresh gas in his tank and poured 2 ounces of it in his gas tank, that it should take care of the problem. Well, yesterday he called me back and said that he done as I advised him to do, and he said the second pull, his weed trimmer fired right up. He was well satisfied, and it took the heat off of me, and now I'm his favorite son-in-law.